Hey guys, today I'll teach you how to manually approve tags. This tutorial takes 3 easy steps, so watch carefully. First, you're gonna want to open Instagram. This will take you to your homepage. Once you're here, click on your profile. Your posts will appear here. Click on the third tab and you will find the posts you've been tagged in. Now, how do you manually approve these tags? Tap on the top right corner. Click on Settings, Privacy, and Mentions. You can either choose allow mentions from everyone, people you follow, or no one at all. It's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.